Hello, dear friends. My name is Aulia Risa Swatriman, usually called Aulia. First of all, do you know CPR? Yes, CPR stands for Cardiopulmonary Resuscitation, or known as RJP, resusitasi jantung paru in Indonesia. Is a technique of chest compression and artificial respiration to restore circulation in individuals with stopped heartbeat and breathing, such as heart attack or drowning, to provide oxygen to the brain and heart until medical treatment arrives. As we know, in Indonesia, CPR skills are not taught in schools. So I created a program called Heartbeat Guardians. Heartbeat Guardians is a training program that aims to provide knowledge about CPR to elementary school students during accidents such as cardiac arrest and drowning. The Heartbeat Guardians program is based on several factors, including one, many students do not have adequate CPR knowledge and skills, so emergency situations are often not handled properly. Two, the high death rate due to sudden cardiac arrest in public places can be reduced by rapid intervention through CPR. 3. Limited access to medical personnel requires basic knowledge of CPR. 4. Health education in elementary schools is inadequate in teaching emergency skills such as CPR. And 5. Awareness of the importance of first aid is increasing, emphasizing the need for CPR preparation for the community, including students. The Heartbeat Guardians program aims to increase the basic knowledge of CPR among elementary school students, teaching basic CPR skills for rapid response, reduces mortality from cardiac arrest and accident, fosters preparedness in emergency situations, strengthens students' confidence in emergency action, and build social awareness and responsibility to help others. The Heartbeat Guardians program targets elementary school students, especially those between the ages of 10 and 12. This program also has significant benefits, including reduce the risk of complication and death from cardiac arrest with CPR knowledge, improve students and school community preparedness in emergency situations, development of skills that are useful throughout life, providing students with basic CPR knowledge and skills, and improve quality of life by preparing students to be individuals who are ready to help in emergency situations. So, this is the information of the training program Heartbeat Guardians. Heartbeat Guardians is an important step in addressing students' lack of CPR knowledge and skills. With a focus on improving safety through CPR, this program directly benefits elementary school students and contributes positively to the overall well-being of the community. Thank you for your attention. See you soon. Bye bye.